Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever wondered where something came from or how something works? Yeah, welcome to my new animated adventure, Blippi Wonders. Will you come with me? Yeah, let's go.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi. Huh?
Achoo! Thanks for achoo! Huh, something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia!
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hello! It's me, Blippi. Today, we're in Tenino, Washington, in front of a greenhouse. Whoa! Do you know what a greenhouse is? Yeah, a greenhouse is a house that houses plants. Yeah, it controls the environment, so then you can make sure that the temperature is just right for the plants to grow really big. Let's go inside and check it out. Come on. Whoa! This place is awesome! There are so many plants here. Wow! Hey, look at this one. Yeah, it's a flower. Oh. Ah, smells so good. Looks so pretty. Yeah. Check it out. Another one. Yeah. What color is this flower? Yeah, it's the color pink. Ooh, and all these leaves? What color are they? Yeah, the color green. Wow, flowers are so cool. You could put them on your tabletop and they look so pretty. Whoa, what kind of plants are these? Oh, they look real small compared to those flowers. Yeah, these are actually called succulents. Huh, interesting. They kind of look like cactuses. Yeah, but they're not pokey or anything. Actually, a cactus? Yeah, that's a type of succulent. Wow, succulents are so cool. Whoa! Ooh, some more flowers over here. Wow, there's so many flowers. A lot of greenhouses have flowers in them, or they could be growing fruits. I love fruits. And they might grow vegetables. Yum! I love vegetables too. I really enjoy eating healthy. Do you eat healthy? Yeah, good job. But hey, what color is this flower? Yeah, it's the color purple. Come on. Whoa, check it out. Some more plants. Do you see these kind of plants? Yeah, it's not a flower, it's not a fruit, it's not a vegetable. These look like a type of grass. Yeah, 3 different types of grasses. Look. Whoa, looks like my hair. Hello. Hey. Do I look silly or do I look silly? Oh, now that is silly. Here's another type right here. Whoa, and another type. Whoa. Yeah, do you have grass at your house? You very well might. It's so fun to play in and roll in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Ooh, there's so many plants in here. I enjoy greenhouses. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Whoa, a big pot of flowers. Did you see how it was hanging? Yeah, this looks like a nice, pretty bouquet of flowers. Yeah, a bouquet is where it's a big group of flowers, but typically you cut them off and then you can make a very colorful bouquet. Wow, so pretty. But this is also pretty, and it's in a hanging pot. Wow. All right, we have to make sure we put things back where we found them. Woohoo! Whoa, check these out. Wow, so many colors. What colors do you see right here? Looks like that one is pink. That one right there is red. Ooh, look at that one. It's the same color as the sun. Yeah, yellow. Whoa. All right, I have a really fun thing for us to do together. Have you ever planted a plant? Yeah, it's so much fun. Do you see this? Yeah, you know what this is? It's a flower. It's an adult flower. It's really old. And look at this one. This looks like a teenager or a baby. It hasn't even created the flower yet, but soon enough, this is going to turn into this. But in order for it to become this size, yeah, it starts out as a seed. Yeah, every single plant, like flowers, I should say, start out as seeds. All right, but the things that every plant needs are sun, water, soil, which is like a house, and nutrition, which is like food. Whoa! All right, so let's create this plant's house or home where we're gonna put the seed. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's scoop up this soil. Oh, I'm making a mess. That's okay. I'll clean it up after. There we go. All right, this soil has a lot of nutrition already in it. Yeah, there we go. And sometimes the water that you put in this to water it has some nutrition in it as well. All right, so check this out. This right here is a flower seed. Wow. Do you see how small it is? Yeah, so cool. So when you put this right in here and you push it down, there we go. Okay, let's cover it up just a little bit. The soil is nice and moist. And then after a while, it's gonna sprout up. And it's gonna be so small and cute. Oh! And then it'll grow up to be this. Wow, so green and pretty. But when it becomes an adult, it is going to flower. Yeah, good job. All right, so what are the 4 things that every plant needs to grow? Yeah, it needs some sun, it needs some soil, it needs some nutrition, and it needs some water. Wow, this was awesome.
Walking through the forest, look at all the trees. They give us lots of air, what we need to breathe. Look at all the critters roaming on the ground. They help carry the seeds to grow plants all around. Flowers are a blooming, making lots of food for all the bugs and creatures, even me and you. We're singing the earth song, we're helping the planet. Together, together, we can make a change. We're singing the earth song, come learn all about it. Together, together, it's time we start. Let's do our part. We can all help wherever we are. Use a little less water, that goes really far. Make sure to recycle paper, glass, and plastic. Taking care of the earth will make you feel fantastic. You can plant a tree or pick up some trash. Ask a friend for help, then it'll be a blast. We're singing the earth song, we're helping the planet. Together, together, we can make a change. We're singing the earth song, come learn all about it. Together, together, it's time we start. Let's do our part. Let's do our part. Let's do our part.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That was so much fun learning about plants with you. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make the